Today's workshop was primarily just to teach nonprofit communications professionals how to leverage AI, but we really wanted to do it in a way where it was just really, really fun and exciting to be a part of.
AI is rapidly becoming one of the newest, most emerging technologies out there in the workforce. It's definitely going to be affecting how people go about their job, how they implement it in their workflow. So I feel that educating my community is an important part of the process to empowering them to be able to not only know what AI is, but how to use it effectively.
The majority of people that were in here are actually nonprofits, and usually they end up creating a lot of resources and providing resources for the community itself. So if we can be a stepping stone in order to improve their process to get those resources out to people a lot faster, we deem that as success for ourselves. So we had a lot of fun doing that today.
In the future, none of us have a crystal ball glass, but what we're seeing is that professional skills like communicating, researching, and writing and planning are going to be even more important than the hard technical skills as AI has become more and more sophisticated and taken on those tasks. So the AI workshop is a good opportunity for associates, myself, everybody to basically hone those skills, craft them, and then have to deliver them and execute them in real time.
Really, the importance of it is that it's going to hopefully create a ripple effect so that when they bring that knowledge that they learned today back to their organizations, that knowledge is going to spread all over Santa Cruz County, and then we will have effectively taught basically everyone in that industry in Santa Cruz County how to use AI effectively.